Best SUVs of 2022 and 2023. Midsize, Hyundai Palisade. Hyundai's Palisade SUV aims for a class above experience and nearly nails it, especially on upper trims where its cabin could be confused for one of the Genesis brand's luxury vehicles. It's not a Genesis, despite the look and feel, and it instead shares its platform with the also excellent Kia Telluride. A smooth-running 3.8-liter V6 is standard and is mated to an 8-speed automatic. Front-wheel drive is the base setup, but all-wheel drive is also available. A generous amount of equipment is standard, including a ton of high-tech driver assists and modern infotainment connectivity features. Midsize, Jeep Grand Cherokee L. With legitimate off-road credentials and a 3-row interior, the 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee L is an adventure mobile with room for the whole family, which earned it an Editor's Choice Award. While it will likely see more on-road duty than it will trail time, Jeep offers several capability-enhancing features including an adjustable air suspension, a limited slip rear differential, and 3 different versions of the brand's quad-drive all-wheel drive system. Even the most Spartan models offer a comfortable and well-tailored cabin, but high-end versions bring a full luxury experience, as well as a luxury price tag. Midsize, Jeep Grand Cherokee. When you close your eyes and think of a Jeep, it's likely that the rough-and-tumble Wrangler comes to mind, but the Grand Cherokee is every bit as important to the success of the famed off-road brand in terms of sales. Its appeal is bolstered by the fact that it pairs impressive off-road capability with on-road refinement, offers lots of available luxury appointments and features, and has the rugged, outdoorsy look Jeep buyers love. We like it too, in fact, and gave it an Editor's Choice Award. A trio of powertrains are offered, including familiar V6 and V8 options and a new plug-in hybrid variant that Jeep calls 4Z. Midsize, Ford Bronco Raptor. The 2022 Ford Bronco Raptor is built to accelerate quicker, climb easier over rocks, and fly higher than the regular Bronco. It's basically the same blueprint Ford followed with a hugely entertaining and highly capable F-150 Raptor pickup. The ultimate Bronco boasts a 418 horsepower twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6, a special long travel suspension, huge 37-inch tires, and lots of other off-road goodies. Midsize, Kia Sorento. With more powertrain options and a smaller footprint, the 2022 Kia Sorento is a compelling substitute for the larger Kia Telluride. Both Kia models are handsome and have 3 rows, but adults won't want to spend much time in the Sorrento's far back seats, and when those seats are upright they limit its cargo capacity. Keep the 3rd row stowed, however, and its nicely appointed cabin becomes a comfortable place for a small family. Unlike the Telluride, the Sorento is available as the hybrid or plug-in hybrid, which helps maximize fuel efficiency. Hybrid. Midsize, Mazda CX-9. Combining a handsome exterior, a near-luxury interior, and a surprisingly fun-to-drive nature, the 2022 Mazda CX-9 is the 3-row crossover for buyers who'd rather be driving an MX-5 Miata but can't live with a car that's so space-challenged. The CX-9's turbocharged 4-cylinder engine provides adequate acceleration, but its chassis is what delivers its trademark driving verve. The CX-9's crisp steering and sporty cornering attitude remind us more of a sports sedan than an SUV, which earns it an Editor's Choice Award. Inside, occupants are treated to a premium cabin, but the 3rd row is admittedly cramped, especially in comparison to roomy rivals such as the Hyundai Palisade, the Kia Telluride, and the Jeep Grand Cherokee L. Midsize, Honda Passport. With a generous amount of cargo space and passenger accommodations, the 2022 Honda Passport is supremely practical. Those who need more than 2 rows of seats might want to step up to the 3-row Honda Pilot, the Passport's first cousin, but otherwise, the Passport is pleasantly capable in many ways. All models have an array of driver assistance tech, from adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist,